thank po sa lahat ng mga naging host namin sa aming ADC, sa mga mga unit managers, sa agency managers, sa mga kabatch ko po sa sa collaboration po. Thank you and God bless. See you. Thank you po sa mga learnings na binigay niyo po sa amin.
I would like to thank everyone here at ADC Batch 4, to our mentors who share their stories and knowledge and techniques of selling the products of AIA. This will be part of our long-time journey or road to MDRT. To my classmates, I'm gonna miss you guys. See you around. See you when I see you. Thank you.
Thank you sa mentor ng ADC at sa mga natutunan namin sa inyo, hindi namin makakalimutan. At sa Bible verses na ito, isa sa puso ko rin, ang ask and you shall receive. Mateo 7 verse 8. Thank you.
As a rookie agent, sobrang laking tulong po ng ADC sa akin because of the knowledge I gained, and I am now more confident in dealing with my clients knowing that I am equipped. Dahil po sa lahat ng knowledge na inimpart niyo sa amin, so maraming salamat po sa aming mga agency at district managers. You have made a lasting impact in our journeys as agents, and for that, we will always be grateful. This is Raika Zia Gunsing from Brilliance Financial Firm, and again, thank you so much.
To my co-participants, congratulations for making it to this program, Batch 4 of the ADC. And to the facilitators and resource speakers, thank you very much for sharing your expertise to us.
To our agency leaders and classmates, thank you for sharing your experiences. Nagkaroon ako ng baon na techniques and stories para sa aking mga clients at malaking tulong ito para mapaganda ang aking career as a life planner.
Hi! Congratulations sa ating lahat. Finally, gagraduate na tayong lahat. Sa Tropang Cubao, sa ating mga district and agency managers, sobrang thankful kami dahil sa binuo niyo itong ADC na ito para sa aming mga rookie. Huwag po kayo mag-alala dahil gagamitin namin ang mga natutunan namin dito para maging successful ang career namin sa AIA tulad po niyong lahat. God bless us all. Thanks be to God. Go AIA!
Good day. The fulfilling part of finishing the course has come. Yet, learning will always continue as experiences and adversities motivate us to succeed. Thank you very much, Sir and Ma'am, for all of your warm patience in our journey to wisdom and achievements. We salute you. God bless all of you, the best in life and career. ADC Batch 2025 will surely miss all of you. Classmates, our journey to success is miracle of God. Nothing is impossible.
Hi, my name is Angel Leonida and I'm from Nilda Ui's agency, Fortune Legacy Assurance Group or FLAG. And I just wanted to say thank you to each and every one of you who went above and beyond during our ADC sessions. Training us to be advisors is one thing, but making an effort of that magnitude is something else, and it was really amazing. It's really an honor to be a part of this batch. Thank you so much, everyone. Much love.
Hello po, this is Kashyap there representing Team Enthusiasm from Batch 4 ng ADC. Shoutout nga po pala sa mga agency and district manager po natin sa AIA. Maraming salamat po sa pagtuturo sa amin. God bless you all. Power.
To all my classmates at ADC Batch 4, congratulations to all of us. Happy selling to all of us. To all our managers, special mention to Miss Eden of Alosos Financials. Thank you so much for taking time to organize these learning sessions.
Good morning. I want to express my sincere appreciation to DM Krisa Nicdao, DM Eric Nicdao, and UM Lilibeth Cacao for their unwavering guidance and support. Big thanks as well to the leaders and staff behind the Agents Development course in Cubao. The 8-session program has deepened my understanding of the sales process, and I truly value these lessons. I look forward to applying them as I grow in this journey. Maraming salamat po.
To all the coaches and the whole ADC team, we cannot thank you enough for all the teachings, the patience, the knowledge you have given us. God bless you more.
Hi agency managers and district managers. Thank you po for your time, effort, and commitment. Yung pag-share niyo po sa amin ng inyong mga experiences, knowledge, and expertise ay sobra po nakatulong sa aming journey as an AIA financial advisor. And with that, learning from your successes and challenges has been invaluable, and we're leaving feeling better equipped to navigate this industry. Thank you po ulit. More power and more blessings po sa inyo.
Hi, I'm Rosalina Taruk from the collaboration team and from Cleto Financial Advisors Agency. Thank you to all the mentors, district managers, agency managers for sharing their expertise to help us hone our skill to become a successful financial advisor.
Hello! From Ramos Agency, we enjoy the 900 days of ADC. Thank you, everyone! Thank you!
I am truly honored to be here and to have this opportunity to express my sincere appreciation to all managers to teach, support, and encouragement. And now, I am fully equipped and ready to sell insurance policies. Thank you very much, AIA Philippines.
Thank you very much! Adaptability! God bless! Thank you! Nakapagod na ako!
Innocent, walking with you on this island, guided by the grip of your hand. I can feel you holding my world. Ano ba ito nadarama? Ocean, sabay pag-ibig na. Totoo ba ang ginagawa? 'Cause boy, it feels so good. Nakatira masama kaya magmula lang nakita ka. Wala ng pangangamba, pag-ibig at na. Feels like someone I'm with you. Parang isa lang ang gabi ko. Can't wait to go back with you. Parang isa lang ang gabi ko.
ABC dancer na kami.
Lapit na ang araw, nangiging ulit nag-uusap. Hinahanap ko sa tabi.
Makakain sa babae na ano? Susunod yung pagbunan! Gusto ko yun!
Sayaw!
Dali!